Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the router's Wi-Fi name, password, and band 2. 4 GHz works best for range. Then, power and charge your Airtel Hotspot above 50%. Make sure hotspot mode is on. Set a clear SSID and secure password on the Airtel unit so it won't clash with the main network. Once done, position the Airtel device roughly halfway between the router and the dead zone. This gives you signal overlap and a reliable handoff. Now you connect the Airtel to the main network. If your Airtel supports WISP or repeater mode, select that, otherwise use client or bridge mode. These let the device join the router as a client and rebroadcast. Log into the Airtel web UI or app, choose the repeat/bridge option, and type the exact SSID and password of the primary router. Then save and apply. Make sure the device shows connected status and at least 2 signals. Finish by fine-tuning placement and network settings. Move the Airtel until you see consistent throughput, avoiding microwaves and thick concrete walls. If both devices hand out IPs, set the Airtel to DHCP off or use a different SSID to prevent conflicts. Test with a phone or laptop in the weak zone, run a speed test and a quick ping. If things go wrong, reboot the router and hotspot, confirm modes, and only then, factory reset the Airtel as a last resort to reconfigure cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.